DJI is gearing up to launch a powerful yet compact drone called the DJI Neo, which could be an affordable alternative to the DJI Avata. Newly leaked specs and design details suggest that the Neo might be a game-changer in the world of consumer-grade FPV drones. We've got nearly every spec, a hands-on image of the DJI Neo, and a confirmed release date for this upcoming Cine Whoop-style drone. It's incredibly compact, fitting right in the palm of your hand, and weighs only 135 grams. So, let's dive into all the key details about this ultra-compact drone from DJI and share our thoughts on it. Although DJI hasn't officially teased the DJI Neo yet, thanks to reliable leaks from Igor Bogdanov, we have a solid idea of when this drone will hit the market. And it's already generating excitement with its promising features. First, let's dive into the design. At first glance, the DJI Neo resembles a miniature version of the DJI Avata. With a weight of only 135 grams, it's astonishingly light, lighter than most smartphones, including the iPhone 15, which weighs 170 grams. This makes the DJI Neo not just compact, but incredibly portable, designed to be your go-to-travel drone for on-the-go aerial photography. Imagine having a drone that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, yet is powerful enough to capture stunning footage. Despite its small size, the DJI Neo doesn't compromise on performance. According to the spec sheet leaked by Igor Bogdanov, the drone will feature a half-inch sensor capable of shooting 4K videos at up to 30 frames per second. This is impressive for such a compact device, ensuring that your videos are crisp and clear. For still photography, the Neo will allow you to capture 12-megapixel photos, making it a versatile tool for both video and photo enthusiasts. The DJI Neo is more than just a camera drone. It's packed with intelligent features designed to enhance the user experience. It will include AI tracking, quick shots, and various control modes for convenience. You'll be able to switch between normal mode for stable shooting, cinema mode for smooth cinematic movements, and sports mode for a more responsive flying experience. These features make the Neo adaptable to different shooting scenarios, whether you're capturing fast action or scenic landscapes. To top it all off, the DJI Neo will be equipped with OcuSync 4 transmission technology, offering a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. While you might not need that much range for a drone of this size, it's reassuring to know that you have the capability for long-distance control if needed. This technology ensures a reliable connection between the drone and the controller, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about signal loss. As for battery life, the DJI Neo is expected to offer up to 18 minutes of flight time with a maximum flight distance of up to 7 kilometers. This means you'll need to be mindful of your flight duration and make sure to capture your desired footage quickly. According to the leaks, DJI plans to bundle the Neo with the DJI RCN3 remote control as part of a Fly More combo, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. Additionally, the DJI Neo will be compatible with the DJI Goggles 3, offering an immersive FPV experience. However, it's worth noting that there's currently no news about any obstacle avoidance sensors, which might have been expected given the compact size of the drone. Instead, it will feature propeller guards, similar to those found on the DJI Avata or DJI Spark, providing some level of protection during close-quarters flying. Despite the lack of obstacle avoidance, we're excited to see if this ultra-portable drone can live up to the high expectations. DJI has a history of surprising its fans with cutting-edge technology, and it looks like we're about to witness another innovation just days from now. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest tech news.